Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from a Webull application. First of all, open up a Webull application on a PC. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you can see a small arrow down button. Click on it. After that, click on Logout button here. And you will get a prompt saying you will not be able to receive notification or access your account data once you are logged out. Now click on OK button. And that is how you can log out from your Webull desktop application. To log in, you can simply click on Login button and enter your credential. You can also see Click to Login option on the top right corner of your screen. So that is how you can log out from a Webull application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.